What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to Cutting Corner. You know where I'm at, that range. Bird gang all day, you already know. I'm gonna bring y'all out here to the range with me today because I did a little internal work on my Prodigy, a couple of EGW parts in. I came and I also put a new red dot on. I'll show you that in a couple of seconds. So of course, it's the Prodigy. I got the new red dot on it, so I had to come and zero it out. Let's get this right. Let's take that back, boom. Prodigy con. See, I got the new Flat Dark Earth Hollow Sun 509T on there. I changed out the internals. This is hot, we are in the range, safe place. I changed out the internals, put this on safety. I got a new trigger. Got new EGW parts. Only thing I haven't changed out, which is a couple of things, I haven't changed out the trigger, I haven't changed out the slides, the safeties, and the beaver tail, but it's on its way. All right, so I did take some shots earlier, but let's take some shots now, all right? I'm getting used to this red dot. I got a bullseye out there. Actually, I got a dart target out there, so I'm heading for the bullseye. All right, let's turn that around. Let's give y'all a shot at it. All right, see what I'm doing down there. That's my target. All right, I still got some more shots. I'll put that on safety. Let's bring that in. Let's bring that in. See what that looks like. That's about not too bad, not too bad. I gotta work on that. Gotta work on that. See, I'm a little all over the place. No bullseye. Couple down here, but other than that, not too bad. Not too bad. Done. I'm having fun. We're gonna do this about a little closer because I like seeing it get off a little loose. Had to tighten it up. So I'm gonna have to zero it out too. But I'll do that on another time. Let's tell you, I do like this trigger. I mean, I didn't change the trigger. I ain't changed nothing but the internals. But the slide, ooh, slides like butter now. Slides like butter. Oh, what the fuck is that? All right, let's bring it in. Let's bring it in. And let's take a look. Not too bad. I don't know where these shots were going everywhere. I got it on point. That was on point. That was on point. Mag dump time. Mag dump. Let's count 10. Let's count 10.
Yo, that was a good shot, right?
Thank you, sir.
All center. Hey, that's a good shot.
Yeah, that's good looking.
Yeah, those kids that were there, I brought them over here. I was like watching them shoot. That's how you shoot.
Oh man, stop that.
Because like you pretty much like your shots are consistent. Like you're not doing a bunch of extra.
Right. I try to get a little bit of knowledge here and there, you know, on the grip.
Yeah. I'm glad you're not just the guy who buys guns, but it's also like a skill.
Yeah,
There's
you know.
guys that also guns.
It's a video going around. You heard Charleston White, but he says black people don't know nothing about no guns. They don't know how to clean them, they don't know how to fix them, blah, blah, blah.
I mean, like,
There are sectors, but then there's other people who just buy guns because they need a gun. I know a couple of people. I probably told you this. When I first bought a gun, I bought a 380. No, I bought a 357 38 special. Right? I didn't know nothing about it. Went out and bought some 380 ammo.
Yeah.
I'm like, oh, this shit don't match. And I immediately looked it up, see if I got the right thing. So this shit don't match. Oh well, let me buy another gun. So I bought a 380. Little one gun cost like $120.
Oh
my God.
So, you know, but that was the journey. Don't get into something and don't know how to use it.
Yeah. But again, it's better to be a guy who's accurate. You got people over here complimenting you. Literally.
I appreciate you.
You're like, yo,
I appreciate y'all, gentlemen.
when you see somebody dunk and it's all like that.
Now you ain't seen nobody dunk till you seen his coworker.
Art, yeah.
Well, actually, it's the first time I ever dumped and had a fresh target up here. You know what I hit now?
Were you mag? Were you kind of snag dumping?
A little bit.
Okay.
I'm trying with these gloves. You know, I try to get used to these gloves. You
Now,
know,
it's important to do distance shooting. It's important to do fast shooting. All of it's important.
all of it. Yeah.
One-handed shooting.
That's what I gotta do. My weak support.
It's just overall it makes you better.
Yes.
You know, iron
Yes.
sights, no iron.
Yes.
Magazine, you ever see like magazine drill?
Yeah.
It's all important.
Well, see, I'd be scared to drop my mag on these harder floors.
They're made for that.
Okay. I mean, that's what I gotta practice that too.
Yeah.
Well,
I mean, you can always just dump it on the
see, with my luck, bounce all the way the hell down there.
Yeah, it'll probably.
That's my luck. All right, let me see that. Y'all saw that mag dump. I get a lot of compliments over here, but I appreciate them. All here in the center. That was the mag dump. I was about, let's go back to about, we're about 7 yards. Y'all tell me. I'm going to do another mag dump. Going to do another one. And see what this thing is. That one's a little more wilder. I kind of got a little trigger shy with that one. All right, you got 15 minutes. Get on out of here. Let me dump this. Let me dump the iron sight.
Here? No, who's that? Fire and yeah, but it's like there's just people. Like they don't want you to here. The other guy is being violent. It's kind of like he's also like
That is working. Mag dump. In case y'all didn't know, I'm messing with that Blazer. 115.
What?
People say 115 don't work too well in their Prodigies, but I have never had a problem with 115. They said I used to run the 124. I did, I ran that, but I never had a problem with 115, so it's 115 for me, and it shoots very well. 15 shots, mag dump. All right, that's good. I'm out, y'all. Peace. Just a
Surprise!
heads up. Did miss one up top. One over his ear. I caught his ear though, but the rest, crap. Crap. That shit right down the center too. All right, y'all. Ain't no strays, no slide. What you see over here was from the last one, but woo, that's nice. I like that. See y'all later. Cutting corners. Follow, like, subscribe. Peace.